we'll guide you through how to merge databases in Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, head over to your main computer desktop and make sure you are ready to begin the process of merging databases in Notion. Scan your desktop area carefully and locate the Google Chrome icon among your available shortcuts. Move your mouse over the Chrome shortcut and double-click to open the browser. Wait patiently for Chrome to load up completely and select your user profile if multiple profiles are available. Take a look at the center of the screen and press the search bar to begin entering a website address. Type Notion and select Notion.com from the drop-down suggestion that appears below the search bar. Give it a moment while the website finishes loading and displays the Notion homepage. Direct your eyes to the top right area of the website where the available options are displayed. Hover your mouse over the Open Notion button and press it once to continue. The Notion workspace will open up, so take a look at the left side of the screen where your pages and databases are listed. Look for the Monthly Expenses option and click it once to open the page. Take a look at the center of the screen where the page content is displayed. You will see two databases there that are separated from each other. Go to the bottom database called House Bill and prepare to move items from it. Click and drag your cursor over water and electricity to select both of them at the same time. Hover your mouse over the selected items after they become highlighted. Click and drag the items upward toward the top database called Monthly Expenses 1. Continue holding the left mouse button while moving the selected entries into the destination database. Carefully position the items inside the top database and release your left mouse button to drop them there. After releasing the mouse button, Notion will automatically place the selected entries into the target database. You will now see that the items are merged into one database.